Hello, hello! Yeah, it's still winter. It's really cold in Florida. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I bring into you brand new Nars foundation. In this video, we're gonna talk about this foundation. We're gonna talk about brand new primer from Nars and four brand new lip colors from Nars. It's so excited. I will give you a recommendation how to apply this foundation. I will suggest for what type of skin this foundation. But let's start. Let's talk about this. Again, it's brand new Nars foundation, and it's $40 foundation. We have 1.5 fluid here of 45 milligram of milliliters actually. Sorry. Also, this product, it's made in United States. It's named for this brand new foundation. It's a soft matte foundation. It is very pretty packaging, and this foundation again $40. It's named for this foundation soft matte complete foundation, and this is foundation. It's absorbing, it's a matte finish, it's absorbing oil foundation. But you know, I'm right now combination to dry. You will see how I apply, and I use brush and we use finger how they suggest. In this video I will show you which one is best way to apply this foundation. Okay, let's see how good this brand new foundation from Nars. But before foundation, I already have skincare on my face, but we're gonna use brand new primer from Nars. It's soft matte primer. It's looks like a little bit white, and it is a matte finish. And let me put just first on my hand. It says matte finish, but to me actually it's like, I don't know why, on my hand it looks like more glowy. It feels very smooth and silky. I believe it's $36. Yeah, it's $36. It's climate balancing technology, will visibly minimize shine and make your foundation looks more or stay more longer. Again, it's in my hand and it looks a little bit like more actually glow. I don't feel it's matte, but let's put on my face. And again, this is medium to full coverage foundation. I want this foundation to cover all my pigmentation, discoloration, my breakups. Okay, let's do it. I do have a pores, and okay, it's a light texture primer, light texture. Again, I do not see any matte on my face. Actually looks very glowing. But it says soft matte primer. This is maybe what they mean, soft matte. But again, to me it's not matte at all. I actually love how this primer feels on my skin. I do like this. And I have two colors for my foundation. I will go with light form. And again, it's a soft matte foundation. I want you to see first on my hand, because this is when I try this, I say, wow, I really like it. Because remember, I'm full coverage girl. I like my skin to look flawless. But again, you can see this primer, I will not say it's matte or soft matte. It's giving me nice, beautiful glow. Okay, I have, you can see a little bit boo-boo on my hand. Let's put this foundation little bit and I put a little bit, and ooh, you need very little, but look at how full coverage here. Oh my god. Again, my color, it's a light 4. God, it's not just full, it's full coverage. Nars, they like to apply foundation with hand. I'm gonna do half face, half size. Okay, I'm gonna do half of my face with finger, and another half I'm gonna use my favorite brush from Bobbi Brown. We'll see. I will like using with hands this foundation or with the brush, and they suggest you need to warm this product on your hand, but again guys, you need very little. It is good coverage here, but I want to see how it sits on my skin, because my skin coming close to you have a lot of discoloration, pigmentation. Let's cover this. Okay, I really like how this foundation so far looks on my skin, but because I have a large pores, and I'm gonna come a little bit close to you, my finger don't push products in my pores, it just sits on top of my pores, and my pores looks much more bigger. I'm gonna close come to you. I want you to see it. And you can see it, you see? Now, I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown favorite brush. I'm gonna use with my this foundation with my brush, and let's see, do I like better with brush or do I like to apply more with my fingers? I actually gonna bring a little bit mirror close to me. I do wanna see my foundation much more close. And actually, let me find my favorite mirror, and it's a Simply Human, the best mirror. Oh yes, absolutely, 100%. I like this foundation with brush, because again, when I apply with my finger and I have a large pores, it just product, I need to foundation a little bit goes to my pore or cover my pores, and it's impossible to do with finger. If you have a small skin, no pores, you can use a finger, but brush, it's your best friend. Okay, let me finish this. I'm gonna put concealer, bronze, and my favorite powders from Nars, and of course I'm gonna show you this brand new lip products from Nars. I have a 4 brand new matte lip color, and you can use them for your lips, or you can use them for my blush. I looks a little bit pale, but don't worry about. We're gonna make my skin today beautiful and flawless, and then I'm gonna probably shoot another video. I'm gonna use probably some eyeshadow palette, and you know what, this video is gonna be like a 2-part. One part is gonna be about Nars foundation, Nars products, and another how I finish this look. Girls, if you like this look, me pale, give me thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream, but I promise this will look so pretty in few minutes. I finish applying this foundation. What can I tell you? It is good coverage, it is medium to full. If you girls combination to oily, I feel this will be a great foundation for you. If you dry to extremely dry, I will not recommend this foundation, because after I apply, I feel this foundation looks little bit powdery look on my skin, but it's normal for this formula, because remember, it's a matte foundation, it's oil absorbing or oil controlling foundation, but it looks pretty on me. But I'm combination, sometimes a combination to dry, sometimes combination to oily, and before I apply this foundation I have on me serum, oil, moisturizer. But again, let's finish this look. To finish this look, we're gonna try right now this 4 brand new matte lip products from Nars. It's matte formula lip balm. Okay, this is its name, Nars Soft Matte Tinted Lip Balm. It's $28. I believe it's come in 5 different colors, but I have only 4. This smells really good. And first color, which one I'm gonna show you, its name Unrestricted, and let me show you right here. The color, it's very soft. It's like a soft pinky beige, and again, you can use this for your lips, you can use this for your blush. Then let me show you another color, and its name Anti-Matte. This one, it looks gonna be a little bit more like a beige, soft beige. Then I have another, and I'm gonna show you third color. It's little bit more like a soft orange brown, and its name Brie Encounter, I believe. Again, you can see how so soft this lip color, and of course I will try on my lips. And I have one more color, and its name Dangerous Affair. Ooh, it's very looks dark. Okay, let's put right here. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. It's like it's a brown, but it's have a little bit like a slightly, I feel like a purpley tint. No, it looks like more darker brown. Okay, let's which one should I put on my lips? You know what, I like for my lips, I think anti-matte. Okay, let's see. It looks very natural. It has slightly like a, maybe, I will not sweet taste, but because it's a sweet smell, and it's give it to my brain like it's supposed to be sweet, but it's, I don't take, I smell it, but it's no sweet, but it smells like sweet. I don't know if it makes sense or not. And now I'm gonna try this same product on my cheek, and I'm a person who do not like any cream blushes on my face, on my cheek, because I have large pores. But let's see how this product's gonna go, and I'm gonna use my finger. It's actually very light on my cheek, but I will tell you, I already can see this products start mess up my foundation, and I'm not gonna even apply no more. I'm gonna just put a little bit more of my foundation and cover this. Yeah, this is better. It's just because I have large pores, and when I apply any cream product, it go to my pores, it stay and do not look good. But I do like how it looks on my lips. It looks so soft, and it feels really good. And this 4 lip product is only $28. Of course, I will list it below. I do like on my lip. I have foundation on me, I have a lip color on me. Now we need to cover a little bit my dark circles underneath. I'm gonna use Radiance concealer, and this is color I believe vanilla. Yeah, I'm gonna put just a little bit right here, little bit right here, and where's my favorite concealer brush? I'm gonna use my favorite Chanel concealer brush, and again I apply a little bit with concealer right here and right here. Now I have 3 products on my face. I have foundation, I have lip, and I have concealer, and I still look a little bit pale, but you saw me before before foundation. I look old, my skin don't look good, but now I look younger, my skin looks good. If you want to look younger, use foundation. If you have a great skin, you can go with tinted moisturizer, but if you don't have a good skin like me, foundation, foundation, foundation. Now I'm gonna use loose powder from Nars, and it's color peach. I'm gonna set my foundation. If you want your foundation stay all day, not run, not crease, you need to use loose powder or pressed powder. Right now, of course, it's winter in Florida, and my skin not so oily like usually, but I'm gonna still set my concealer with loose powder from Nars. I love this loose powder. It's one of my favorite. I have a big beef puff here, and I'm just gonna open, and you can see I have a very little this powder on my lid. And all I'm gonna do, just press, 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 press. I don't apply in like a huge amount. I apply very, very little, just like this. Okay. Woohoo! Now let's do some bronze, let's do some blush, and we are finishing this face. And then I'm gonna do eye, but I'm gonna shoot second video just for eyes. Okay, let's finish this. For my bronze, I'm gonna use famous bronze from Nars, and it's named Laguna, and I love this Nars brush. You can truly make like little bit details with this brush. Okay, this is where's my ear point right here, and we're gonna go halfway to my lips, and you can see I applied my bronze little bit halfway and little bit higher. I wanna extra lift. Woohoo! Bronze make huge difference. Now let's use a blush, and I have a mini samples from Nars, and it's a name for this blush Orgasm. Yes, it's #1 selling blush from Nars, but it's not just from Nars. It's a lot of makeup artists go for this blush because it's a beautiful color. I'm gonna use same brush, and I'm just gonna little bit apply above my bronze. It's a slightly little bit like a shimmer glow, this blush. Very pretty, very natural. It's like makeup, no makeup. And we should put just a little bit probably highlighter and finish this video. For my highlighter, I actually have a Chanel sample number 10 Ivory Gold, and I have a big fluffy like blending brush. I'm just gonna put little bit right here. I finish my look. My skin looks pretty, I look young, and believe me or not, I don't even have eye makeup on me. I do have just eyebrows, little bit fill them, but I can go to work just like this because I feel comfortable, confident, and pretty. Okay girls, if you like this video, again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Love you more than ice cream.